How's everybody doing tonight? It's Craig here again. This video is going to be short. I won't get into too much detail. A lot of you that's watched my videos know that I was in search of a bracket for a Stihl 036 QS. Actually went on the bottom of the brake flag. This is a dual chain brake mechanism. It's got your traditional flag chain brake up here, but it's also got another chain brake on the operator presence lever. This saw is actually belongs to the local volunteer fire department. In my other video that I've done, this was to thank Top Conquer for getting the part to me. They took it to a shop. The shop said it was going to cost around $3,000. Well, let me back up. It was going to cost more to fix the saw than it was worth, and they would sell a new one to them for $3,000. What size? I have no idea. So it wound up on my bench, and I've had it now for probably 4 months maybe. I searched everywhere. I probably called, I don't know, a couple dozen dealers in the United States, different states, down south, out west, up north, probably a dozen throughout the state that I live in. Everyone that I talked to basically told me the same thing. They all pretty much said, good luck finding parts for that saw. The saw was made in the early 80s. It wasn't a very big hit, but it was actually made for the EMS firefighter because of the dual chain brake mechanism that it has. So after doing some searches on Google searches on eBay, or not eBay, but Google searches online, I come across a part that was in England. It was the flag handle with the metal bracket that was attached to it that I needed. The metal bracket could only be obtained through buying the complete brake flag. It was all one unit number, one part number, one price. So I tried to buy it. I actually found it on eBay in England, I said. Tried to buy it. As soon as I tried to pay for it, it popped up, they do not do international shipping. So through talking with a couple people, basically it was Ken's from Ken's Small Engine in Connecticut and Top Conquer over in England. We was able to get the part purchased. I paid Top Conquer for the part before he purchased it, give him some extra on the side along with shipping to get it to me. Information was distributed through Ken to both parties. That would be Top Conquer and myself. And the part was purchased from the store that I found it from, and Top Conquer was able to get it mailed to me, shipped to me. Again, I've thanked you, I know a dozen times there, Top Conquer, but again, thanks for everything you've done, and if you ever need any help, I'll try to do what I can to help you, buddy. So basically that puts us to what you're looking at right now. I received the part. The part has been installed. Everything functions as it should. The saw's ready to go back to the fire department to be put back into service. I'm not going to charge them any labor. I don't charge the local fire department labor. I will charge them for the parts, obviously. But that's only going to be $125. That was including shipping, the extra tip that I give Top Conquer for doing what he done for me, and buying the part, obviously. Substantially less than the $3,000 for a brand new unit. So this is kind of a two-sided video, just to kind of finalize and sum up the repair on this saw, and also to let everybody know that just because your dealer says there's no parts available, you know, we can't fix it, but we'll sell you a new one. Don't always believe them. Somewhere, somebody has a part that'll fix your saw 90% of the time. Not 100%, but if you look long enough, you're going to find the part that you need. So don't ever give up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reaccentuate the camera here, and we're just going to start the saw, and I'm going to show you the functions of both chain brake functions here, both the operator presence brake and the flag brake. Just give everybody a little short video of them actually functioning and working the way they should. This is kind of more or less for anybody who's never seen a saw that's had a dual brake chain brake system, and for the ones of you who have, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'll resituate the camera and I'll be back in just a little bit. This is Stihl 36QS. Again, put my glasses on here so I can see. Stihl 36QS. As always, I kind of shake it. I hope this will come in. I've got this wheel horse here I got to get started on. It doesn't kill it when it's warm, but as soon as you let off the operator presence lever, it'll stop the chain. Well, the reason it died is because I turned it off when it jumped. I hit the on-off switch. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed.